What's up, guys? Welcome back to a vlog. I'm here with Gio. We got groceries in the back. Currently, we're gonna check in to our stay here in Davenport. We have Dutch Bros literally like 5 minutes away, and 7-Eleven also. We're gonna have a good weekend. It's Thursday. We're checking in today and checking out till Monday. My family and my cousins are gonna come over to hang out. I'm gonna give you guys a tour of the Airbnb as soon as we get in. Only bad part is that it started to rain here out of nowhere. It's anticipated with all these tropical storms going on right now. We brought food to cook for breakfast, dinner, snacks. So we're gonna, just hang out. We're gonna get the stuff that we gotta put in the fridge so we can run inside and we can get a tour of the house right now. My luggage and stuff's in the trunk. We'll get that out later on when it stops raining.
Did my keys fall or did I leave them in the car? Oh, that's in the car.
You left the keys in the car.
Oh, this is nice.
Wow, we're already messing up the floor. Oh!
You want to just leave your shoes there?
Yeah, we'll just leave our shoes here. We'll just mop right now. This is really nice, guys. We got it for 5 days. He said not to touch the paint on the walls. Nice bedroom. Look at that.
This one works?
Oh my goodness. Nice mirror. Closets. Bed. Window. This is nice. Restroom. Look at that. They got a nice cleaning service. They put a cover. Shampoos. This is locked. Wonder why. Wow.
It's nice, right? Like, I already found an issue. We haven't take pictures of it.
Yeah, I mean that's nothing, but I can probably
You don't
fix
want
it.
to keep waiting for anything?
Yeah.
This is already broken.
So we're just gonna take pictures of stuff real fast, so we wouldn't get blamed for anything. One thing they said is that the paint's fresh, so not to touch the walls.
They said no smoking inside, but
Ashtray for outside table,
Oh, they have roach spray.
cause they heard. Let's go upstairs, guys.
This is nice.
This is super nice. Oh, it's haunted. Why you gotta do that though?
Hello?
You're sleeping right here.
What?
You know that stole your car? It was the 17th?
Over here.
17. No. No. Oh, it's gonna be a release.
Look, there's a Roku.
Okay. We're already at the house.
This is nice, guys.
I'm not too.
All the cousins are gonna come and hang out for a bit. There's Roku's. Ew. There's Roku's.
The restrooms are nice.
Wash your hands. Dirty hands. Toilet clean. Nice shower. Yeah, guys, the Airbnb is super nice. I like how they have all this in all the bathrooms. Let's look at the master. This is gonna be a couch to hang out on and watch the movie. Scary movie.
This is the master.
Oh, we have a washer and dryer, and I know how to use them. Whirlpool is a good brand.
Wait, the master's the other one, right? This one can be marked.
Oh yeah, we'll have pool clothes drying here. Oh, I'm gonna show y'all the pool right now. There is a pool downstairs in the back.
Master.
Let's save the best for last. What's over here?
There's probably gonna be my own.
Second best. Second best.
The big mirror. Look at this.
Whoa.
I like that.
Whoa. This is nice. Second best, nice.
This is it. Turn on the.
Oh.
Turn the. No, over there. Over there under the thing. The black.
I'm pushing the wrong button.
Then come with the closet.
Let's look at the closet, guys.
Pretty decent space.
Super nice.
Little hangers.
And it has its own bathroom also, so everyone's gonna be happy.
I think we should move this over. Right. Turn on.
I locked him in there, turn the light off. This is our master bedroom. Well, my bad. I locked it, he can't come in. This is my room, guys. Look at this. This is a big room. Look at the bathroom. Wow. This is super nice. HVAC system. Cool. And a restroom. This is a nice Airbnb. Wouldn't mind a house like this. There's a little hole behind the thing. My couch.
No, don't do that.
There's no one there. Look, it's the road. I'll leave one closed for you.
Over here, I think it's from the.
How cool is that light?
That was already there.
Alright guys, check out the pool. This is a nice table. So check out the pool area. It's gonna stop raining, I'm pretty sure. Tomorrow. Oh my gosh, even a restroom over here. This is super planned out. Super planned out. Look at this. This view. This is a little locked out, guys. Literally just got out the pool. We were there for a little while. Now I'm gonna go shower and then I'm gonna figure out what we're gonna cook tonight. Welcome to day 2 of the Airbnb. We're gonna hang out here for a while by ourselves. No one's here, just me and their speaker. I just cleaned up a little bit around here to make it look nice for everyone when they show up, like when we showed up. I flew my drone this morning back there, and there was somebody flying a small drone, like the FPV ones that go super fast. It was chasing a bird. I think I got it on video on my phone. I just think it was too quick, couldn't really see it. But yeah, we're just gonna hang out, watch a movie, wait for everyone to get here. Gio's bringing me some breakfast, so we can definitely enjoy some breakfast. Hope you enjoyed the house tour. The house is really nice. I'm trying to go to the community pool. It's a nice community pool that I'm trying to go to. Parked right in front. I think they're here, guys, and I just got out the shower and dressed up. I feel it look good too, boy. Why you playing? Oh, hey, found the breakfast. Over here. The Golden Arches. so we're gonna eat some breakfast. What you got?
A big breakfast with hotcakes.
What you got?
Bacon and cheese biscuit.
A biscuit. What did I get? Let's find out. I think it's you or you. Here's ketchup. I got a little breakfast burrito and a hash brown. That's it. Just kidding. I asked for 3. You want one?
No, I already ate one.
I got 3 of them, guys. I was kidding. It wasn't just one. Some little breakfast oatmeal. Some little potatoes, orange juice. Yeah. Yeah. We're going to. We got cookie dough for cookies later. Right now we're going to the community pool. Let's check it out. It looks really good in the description of the pool, of the comments of the pool. Look at that. So let's go check out the pool, guys. So we're here. We're gonna take off. These little cat in the hat houses all look the same. Got the little water shoes. And we're gonna be ready to swim. Let's go. You wanna play tennis? You wanna pick up a sport? Hey guys. Art like the Grinch.
No one likes him.
Are you gonna give us a tour of the pool? We're here making some breakfast. Check us out. About to make some bacon right there. And we got waffle maker going. About to make me some coffee. You already know. Right. Medium high. Right.
Ready, Delina?
What is up, guys? So I'm here with Gio. We're on the way back home after a long stay at a hotel.
Hotel? It was an Airbnb.
It was an Airbnb, guys. I was just kidding. It had a pool and everything, and everyone came through. Cooked a lot of food, and we had a lot of leftovers.